When your systems need maintenance or repair, Motion has got you covered with Motion Repair and Service Centers. Motion Repair and Services provides customers with timely and reliable repair solutions from strategically located shop facilities throughout North America. Leveraging our network of service centers, engineering staff, and field service technicians, Motion Repair and Services is a single source for a wide range of solutions, with focus on mechanical, fluid power, process pumps, and packaged solutions. Motion Repair and Services provides a best-in-class experience for our customers. Our mechanical solutions include gearboxes, material handling components like pulleys and trunnions, couplings, clutches, and brakes, and industrial drive shafts. Our fluid power solutions include pump, motor, and valve repair, cylinder repair, cylinder building, and hydraulic power unit building. We also offer process pump repair and packaged solutions for electromechanical drives, hydraulic power units and controls, and process pumps, motors, and control. Once components are serviced, they are fully tested for performance, repainted, capped, and properly boxed for shipment. This process is standard for every component that comes through our service centers, ensuring the highest level of attention. And if you're looking to improve operating performance or need technical support or additional resources, Motion Repair and Services is a leading provider of field service support. Our highly trained, skilled technicians have helped countless manufacturers improve industrial asset performance and productivity. Besides repair, the Motion team offers a host of custom engineering and fabrication solutions, including engineered CAD drawings, systems analysis and design, and full turnkey custom machine solutions. Our Motion Repair and Services multidisciplined engineering teams tackle all opportunities using our proven project process: opportunity evaluation, followed by defining a scope of work, budget proposals, project execution, and finally client turnover is our collaborative approach to providing turnkey system solutions. So don't wait. Contact Motion Repair and Services today. Service technicians are available 24/7, 365 for customers' repair needs.